In this video, let's see how to add participants to a PDF document template and map signature blocks to each individual. On the PDF template form, select the Participants tab. Proceed to add users who are permitted to interact with the document. To add a participant, click New. Enter the participant's name in the Name field. Choose Fill from the Action drop-down list if the participant is expected to fill in the required fields or sign the document. Select Review if the participant's task is solely to review and sign the document. Link the participant to a user field. Enter a value in the Order field. This specifies the order in which participants are assigned document tasks. Click Submit. Select Mark Signatures to create signature blocks. This step is only necessary for participants who need to sign and is not required for everyone. Press the Add Field button to map a signature block with the participant. Select the area where you want the participant's signature to be collected. Make sure to assign the signature block to the appropriate participant. Click Save when done. In the Template Mappings tab, define the necessary fields for participant completion and incorporate additional validation checks by utilizing the mandatory and format fields. Use the PDF preview option to confirm your changes, and when everything looks accurate, click Publish. After publishing, the template will be ready for deployment.